Today I'm making a jack-o'-lantern pie. First I'm going to make the crust, so in a bowl I have 1½ cups of crushed up graham crackers. Next I'm going to add 6 tablespoons of melted butter and mix that up until it's combined. Next I'm going to add the graham cracker mixture into a 9-inch pie plate and press it in and then bake this at 350 for 10 minutes. While the crust is baking, I'm going to make the filling, so in a bowl I have a 1/2 cup of heavy cream. I'm going to mix this up until stiff peaks form and then put this in the fridge to use later. Then in another bowl, I'm going to add 1 packet of French vanilla instant pudding mix. Then I'm going to add 1 cup of milk and mix this up until the pudding thickens. Then I'm going to add 2 cups of softened orange cream ice cream and mix this up until it's combined. Then I'm going to add the whipped cream that I made earlier and fold that in. Then I'm going to add the filling into the cooled crust and spread that out. Then I added some hot fudge into a piping bag and I'm going to pipe a jack-o'-lantern face onto the pie. Here's an up-close look of the jack-o'-lantern pie, and I let it sit up in the fridge for 3 hours before serving.